Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC. This one's gray. Underneath here is a V8 bi-turbo with 496 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, a macchiato magma gray MB text interior, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with front and rear heated and cooled seats. S580 4MATIC badging. A clean set of all-season and regular formats. Blind spot assist. 4D Burmeister sound system. Illuminated door sill. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, 3D technology package with a 3D instrument cluster, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports. This S-Class has 4,650 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 S580, visit us at feldmanimports.com.